In this video, I'll show you how to create an Anthropic Claude API key step by step. Claude API key allows you to connect your app, website, automation tool, or project to Claude, so you can use Anthropic's AI models through the API. So, let's get started. First, open any browser on your computer. You can use Google Chrome, Safari, Microsoft Edge, or any browser you prefer. Once your browser is open, go to the search bar and type Claude Console, then press Enter. From the search results, look for the official Anthropic Console website and open it. Make sure you are using the official Anthropic website so you don't enter your account information on the wrong page. Once the page opens, you'll need to sign in to your Anthropic account. If you don't already have an account, create one first, then continue with the setup process. After logging in, Anthropic may ask you to complete a quick account setup. For example, you may need to choose whether you are using the account as an individual or for an organization. Select the option that matches your situation and continue. If you see an option to purchase credits or add billing, you can skip it for now if you just want to access the dashboard first. However, depending on your account, you may need billing or credits before you can actually use the API. Once you are inside the Anthropic Console dashboard, look at the left-hand side menu. Click on API Keys. On the API Keys page, click on Create Key. Now, give your API key a name. This can be anything that helps you remember what the key is for. For example, you can name it after your project, your website, or your app. After entering the name, click Add or Create Key. Your API key will now be generated. Click Copy Key to copy it. Now, this part is very important. Make sure you save your API key somewhere safe, like a password manager or a secure note, because you may not be able to view the full key again later. Also, never share your API key publicly, and don't post it in videos, screenshots, GitHub repositories, or anywhere online. Your API key can give access to your Anthropic account usage, so if someone else gets it, they may be able to use your credits or make API requests from your account. Once your key is copied and saved securely, you can use it in your app, website, or development project to connect to Claude through the Anthropic API. And that's it. That's how you create an Anthropic Claude API key. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.